Hey loves, in today's video I will be doing a full detail prep to get ready to do a traditional sew-in. That's coloring, washing, conditioning, drying, and getting my hair braided, so you can see the pattern that I use to do my traditional slash versatile sew-in. So if you're interested, keep watching. Unlike going to the salon, when you're doing it yourself, it's over time, so a good 2 days to get my hair prepped. But I'm about to get it braided, and I'm going to show you guys the braiding pattern that I'm going to use. That's traditional sewing. So if you're interested, just keep watching.
I wasn't kidding, kid. Try all you like, but you're not gonna beat me.
Goes around, comes back around, hey, my baby. What goes around, comes back around, hey, my baby. I say what goes around, comes back around, hey, my baby. What goes around, comes back around, my baby. What goes 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 around, my baby. Goes around, my baby. What 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 goes around, comes back around. 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 Goes around, my baby. What goes around, comes back, comes back, comes back, comes back, comes back. What goes around, comes back, comes back, comes back, comes back, comes back, comes back. Goes around, comes back, hey, hey, comes back, hey, hey, comes back, hey, hey. Goes around, comes back, hey, hey, comes back, hey, hey. Got it.
I'm about to just going to be leaving this portion out just so I can have something to cover up. I don't want to do a lot of hair being left out this time because I want to try not to put a lot of heat on my hair. Let me just take my hair loose. And yeah, and so mainly I'm gonna do just the center of my head. Sorry, my hair was over there. Just the center here, and then not too much, because what I don't want is, like I said, too much heat on my hair. Guys, I have to look in the mirror because if not, I will not get this right, okay? And so this is all the leave out that I'll be doing is here. Yeah, that's a good amount. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and plait that up and get that out the way. Hopefully that's straight as possible. Let's like clip this other hair out the way. And I'm just gonna plait this down as tight as possible so it can be out of her way. My actual lead out. And so this is how my hair is braided down. I just have a lot of hair, so it's different for me. But yeah.
Oh, you should know that I've got you on my
Beg from the book like
secret admirer.
Beg from the book like
I've been watching. You know it's slow.